Guys, this is the look like of the food. Woo! That's our school. There. And actually, I love the Philippines because it's night and I like it. This thing he says about paro-paro. And that says tindahan. The car says sasakyan. The rice says kanin. All we like is food. The food says pagkain. That's the things I know. Even school. The school says paalaran. And I like here. Look, it's super cold here in Panungyanan and this is actually our home. I don't want